Every Christmas has lights. Every Christmas has joy. But this Christmas story has a secret buried for 100 years, a secret that only one boy discovered in a tiny snowy town called Silver Pine. Let's start. In the center of Silver Pine stood an old dusty clock shop. No one went inside, no one came outside, yet every Christmas evening the clock inside would all start ticking at midnight. The villagers said the shop was enchanted. Children whisper that the clockmaker disappeared long ago. But no one truly knew what happened until a boy named Alexander decided to find out. And he was not like other kids. He did not have friends, he did not have fancy toys, and he definitely did not have a happy Christmas waiting at home. His parents worked far away most Christmas. Ellie celebrated alone. But Ellie had something the other did not: curiosity, courage, and a heart that still believed in magic. On Christmas evening, while the snow covered entire town, Ellie saw it, a soft glow inside the clock shop. With trembling hands, he pushed the door. It cracked, slowly, painfully, like something waking up after 100 years. Inside were hundreds of clocks: golden clocks, tinny clocks, dusty clocks, brown clocks, and in the center of the room, a giant grandfather clock taller than Ali himself. As the clock struck midnight, dong, 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 all the clocks began ticking in perfect harmony. Lights inside the shop flickered, and the giant clock opened like a door. Inside it, a man stood, old, gentle, with silver hair and eyes full of stars. "I have been waiting for you, Eddie," he said. "I'm Eldran, the Christmas clock maker." Eldon explained. "Every year on Xmas evening, one child with a pure heart can enter the shop. One child is chosen to restore the spirit of Christmas, because every year a little bit of magic fades from the world." Ellie stepped closer. "Why me?" he whispered. Eldon smiled. "Because you still believe, even when you have every reason not to." Eldon opened the box. Inside was a shattered, glowing Christmas star. "This star kept the joy of Christmas alive for centuries," Eldon said, "but it cracked when people stopped believing. Only someone with a brave, gentle heart can fix it." Ellie held the star. It felt warm, alive, beating like a tiny heart. He closed his eyes and remembered every Christmas he spent alone, wishing for warmth, family, love, and that wish, pure and honest, healed the star. The star burst with golden light. Every clock in the shop chimed widely, harmonizing like a Christmas orchestra. The light swept through Silver Pine, entering harmonies, warming hearts, bringing back joy, kindness, forgiveness. Families reunited. Children laughed, neighbors hugged. The entire town felt Christmas, truly felt it for the first time in years. Adrian placed a hand on Ellie's shoulder. "You save X-Max this year, but magic needs a guardian." Ellie looked up. "A guardian?" Adrian nodded. "From now on, the clock shop is yours." And in a moment, the lonely boy became the protector of Christmas magic. Every year at midnight, Ellie opened the shop, waiting for the next child who still believed. This X-Max, remember, magic doesn't hide in gifts or lights. It lives inside people who believe even when life feels cold. And maybe, just maybe, you will hear a clock chime at midnight and know that magic is still alive. If you want, I can also create. I want to share with you more designs and more ideas like this. If you want to watch more designs like this and more ideas like this, we will definitely bring for you that amazing collection for our viewers and subscribers. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful holiday. May your home fulfilled with craft, love, and happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching till the end, and God bless you all. Have a very nice and very good day. So, viewers, Write your opinion in the comment section and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. Have a very nice and very good day. Take care. Stay blessed.